Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your ClickUp account. So to delete your account, click your profile on the upper right hand side and go to the settings. From here, scroll down towards the bottom and you will find the option to delete account. So simple click and delete. You'll receive this pop-up here. You need to scroll down. And of course, you want to go ahead and type password, right? So as you can see, it says this action is permanent, so please confirm you understand by entering your password. So you want to enter your password and then click and confirm, right? So I would recommend that you read through all of these as well, because it speaks about your workspace, it speaks about billing information and all of those good stuff here. So it's important to read through this before you actually delete your account. Keep in mind as well, it says to limit disruption to other users, you must transfer your ownership or delete workspace with more than one owner. So you want to keep that in mind as well before you actually delete it. So read through this and ensure that you have everything sorted out the way you want before actually confirming and deleting your account. And that's it, guys.